People who live near the Aliso Canyon gas facility still believe their health is in danger. A well failed there in 2015, creating one of the largest methane leaks in history and leading to massive evacuations. CBS 2's Randy Page is live near the site where people are so concerned they're paying for their own independent lab tests. Randy?
That's exactly right, Pat. You know, the LA County Department of Public Health has tested air and dust inside more than 100 homes around Aliso Canyon. The county says it has not found anything that could explain any long-term health effects. But Dr. Jeffrey Nordella here at the Urgent Care Center in Porter Ranch says he's seeing a lot of his patients with symptoms that can't be easily explained. So he says rather than test the homes, why not test the people themselves? So he's making these tests available to his patients, and one of those is Lauren Seymour.
Anything I can do to figure it all out, I want to know.
Lauren Seymour is in search of answers. She wants to know why she, along with the rest of her family, including her identical twin sister, have been suffering from many different symptoms.
I personally have had rashes, headaches, nosebleeds, different things like that. My sister's had horrible, welt rashes all over her body. My mom had chemical burning down her throat. And of course, headaches. Everybody had headaches.
Lauren stopped by the Urgent Care Clinic in Porter Ranch today to buy 2 test kits. One requires a urine sample to test for volatile organic compounds such as benzene. The other test kit uses strands of her hair to test for metals, including lead. She says her family began feeling sick a few weeks before the massive methane gas leak was reported in October of 2015. By the time the leaking well was plugged 4 months later, more than 100,000 tons of methane gas have been released, making it the worst single methane gas leak in U.S. history. Lauren Seymour says while her parents and sister moved to Idaho to get away from the leak, she stayed behind. Now she says she hopes these tests will help solve the mystery of what happened to her family.
And I hope that they find something. I want them to find something so that I have answers. I don't want to just keep getting these symptoms and not know what's going on.
The cost for these 2 tests, about $270. They're available here at the Urgent Care Center for anyone who wants to participate. It takes about 2 weeks to process, and we'll stay on top of this and let you know when the results are in. Pat?